Welcome fashion lovers and sewing enthusiasts to a sneak peek inside the June 2026 issue of Burda Style magazine. Just look at that cover, the message is clear. Hello summer! This issue is packed with airy dream cuts, romantic silhouettes, and modern feminine flair. As we flip through the overview pages, you can see a fantastic array of garments waiting to be created. From breezy blouses to chic trousers and flowing dresses, the patterns are neatly categorized into exciting seasonal themes for sizes across the board, including dedicated curvy options. Our first major trend plunges us right into vacation mode with Club Tropicana. Think bold, exotic prints, vibrant neon greens, and sunny yellows. Notice the energy in pieces like Top 122, a gorgeous V-neck blouse with voluminous sleeves featuring a mesmerizing, colorful botanical print. We also see stunning two-piece sets, like the striking high-waisted linen trousers, Hose 115, shown in a fresh lime green, absolutely perfect for a sunny day out. The collection continues to impress with beautifully draped dresses like the tropical Clyde 118, and striking swimwear cover-ups like the bright yellow Tunica 121. Even the beauty section chimes in with a call for courage for color, highlighting popping pinks and bold reds to complete your vibrant summer look. And for those who love a graphic statement, Clyde 109 delivers with a bold, asymmetrical black and white striped maxi dress. Next, we transition from loud tropics to serene minimalism in the Clean, Chic, Cool collection. This section is a masterclass in understated elegance, focusing on crisp lines and noble fabrics like linen and satin. Look at the sophisticated tailoring of the beige linen suit featuring blazer 119 and hose 117. It's the ultimate breathable, stylish look for the summer office. We also see elegant pale pink skirt suits and crisp white vests, proving that sometimes less truly is more. A true showstopper in this issue is the exclusive designer pattern from Gattinoni. It's a breathtaking golden silk jacket with a structured peplum waist and exquisite beadwork details. It beautifully marries haute couture tradition with modern female self-expression, a challenging but highly rewarding project for ambitious sewists. Softening the mood, we drift into light summer romance. This section is a dreamy haze of delicate lace, floral prints, and charming, playful details. We're treated to lovely designs like Clyde 111, a beautiful blue dress with subtle polka dots and puff sleeves, and Clyde 112, an airy, off-the-shoulder floral midi dress that practically begs to be worn to a garden party. To tie it all together, the accessory pages highlight woven straw bags and hats, adding that perfect touch of rustic charm. Rounding out the fashion features, the magazine curates a special Best of Pleated Skirts segment. Designs like the knee-length Rock 129 in a metallic jacquard prove that pleats are a timeless, versatile staple for any wardrobe. Finally, we get some excellent ready-to-wear styling advice, showing how to mix and match these pieces for everyday life, before leaving us with a tantalizing preview of the July issue. Grab your favorite summer fabrics, thread your needles, and get ready for a stylish, sun-drenched season with Burda Style.